Hello there, it's me, MD here with you on Everything PS. Here we go again with a new Premiere Pro tutorial. Today we are gonna talk about how to remove the green screen in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you are interested, so stay tuned. Now, after opening Premiere Pro and importing our media. By the way, if you want to follow along with me, you can download these media from the links down below in the description box. Now, I will drag this clip to the sequence. This Hong Kong clip will be the background. And I am gonna drag this helicopter green screen clip to the sequence too. And I will put it above our background clip. Then, I will set the video to frame size. Because this clip is 4K resolution. And Hong Kong background clip is 1080p resolution. So, by doing this, we make sure the helicopter clip is not too large for our background clip. As you can see, this is the helicopter. Now, I will go to the effects panel. And if you can't find it, go to the window menu and choose effects. Or you can press Shift+7 on your keyboard. And in the search bar here at the top left, start typing Ultra key. Here is our effect. Now, drag it to the helicopter clip in the sequence. Then, go to the Effect Controls panel. If you don't see it, go to the window menu and choose Effect Controls. Or you can press Shift+5 on your keyboard. In the Effect Controls panel, go to Ultra Key Effect and Key Color and click on this color sampler. Then, go to your clip and one-click on the color that you want to remove. In our case the color is green. Just one click. What do you think? That's awesome. Now, let me show you the result. Without any extra edits. Now, you should know something to make your work easier. There are some important points to keep in mind when shooting a video in front of a green background. You must distribute the lighting correctly so that it covers all parts of the green background. And you must stand a little further in front of the green background during the filming of the video to be easier to remove in the stage of video editing. Now, I am gonna show a clip that has some issues when we trying to remove the green screen. And how to try to reduce these issues. I will drag this tunnel clip, which will be our background, to our sequence. And now drag the man walking clip, which we will edit, to our sequence. As we did before, go to the effects panel. And drag the Ultra Key effect to our clip. And then, go to the Effect Controls panel. Then, from Ultra Key setting, go for Key Color and pick the color sampler. And go to our video, just one click on the green color. Let me zoom in a little bit to show you more clearly. Can you see this green color? We will try to remove this too. By making some adjustments using the settings of the Ultra Key effect. Now, in Effect Controls panel, go to the Matte Cleanup section. And let's increase the soften value a little bit. Play with this value until you got a good result. Also, you can play with choke, contrast, and midpoint values. Then you can edit the saturation, hue, and luminance values in the color correction section. Notice that this icon here you can use when you want to reset any property value to its default value. And inside the matte generation section, you can play with the transparency, highlight, shadow, tolerance, and pedestal values. Let's see the result. Now, finally, for YouTubers, this will help you in your work. Drag the subscribe clip to our sequence. As we did before. From the effects panel, drag Ultra Key effect to our clip. And then, go to the effect controls panel. And in the Ultra Key effect section, from key color select the color sampler. And one left click on the green color. Easy just like that. See the final result. Here we go, we are done for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave your comment down below in the comments section. Also, if you are interested in Adobe After Effects, subscribe to our second channel, Saskiano. See you next time in a new tutorial coming soon.